Hello lovelies, welcome back to my big fat tummy. Today I have come with another easy and quick recipe for all soybean lovers. Today's quick bite is soybean tikka. First of all, you need some soya chunks. Here I have taken 1 cup of soya chunks. Now put some warm water and soak these soya chunks for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now I am going to grind the soaked soya chunks with the help of a mixer grinder. This is the end product, and now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Now I am adding 3 chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of curd. If you don't have, then you can use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice as well. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dum aloo masala. This is totally optional. Then I am adding some amount of chaat masala. This is also optional. Now adding 4 tablespoons of gram flour or sattu, adding 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Now I am pouring 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. Now let's mix all these ingredients. Lovelies, you can see that I didn't use the entire gram flour into the mixture because I need to check how much of the product I actually need after mixing. So first mix, then you can decide how much of the product you basically need. You can see that the mixture is sort of wettish, so I am adding some more amount of sattu or gram flour into this. The mixture will not be much wettish and not be much dry. So I'm almost done with it. Most importantly, you need some salt as per your taste. After adding salt, again mix this. So now let's make the patty or the tikka base. To make it, first take a scoop and then make a round shape and then dab it to make the shape of a tikka. I am following the same process for making the entire tikkas. Now I have heated a pan. Now adding 1 teaspoon of mustard oil, and now I am just brushing it all over the pan. So now it's time to add my tikkas. Lovelies, trust me, this is a very quick and easy recipes for all new chefs. Now let's cover this for some minutes, and after this I'm going to flip the tikkas. You can see the color, how it looks. This will turn into golden brown or some dark chocolate brown. Guys, this is very soft, so you need to be very careful while flipping. So now I will cook this for another 4 to 5 minutes, and make sure your flame is on medium. Now I am just brushing some amount of oil. This is totally optional. If you want, you can skip it also. After doing so, I'm again covering this for about some minutes. So guys, this is the final product. Now I will shift this into a plate and I will show you how it actually looks. So guys, these are the tikkas. You can see, isn't it looking so delicious? You can have it with some mayonnaise or sauces or with your favorite chutney. Now I'm going to show you another quick bite. Here I have taken a pav and I have cut this into 2 halves. Now I am adding some mayonnaise, or you can use some sauces as well. Now I am adding some cucumbers, and now putting the tikka over that. Here I have made the tikka size a little bit bigger than the previous one. Now this is ready to serve, and I have named this as soya pav. Isn't it so lovely? This is really very easy and quick for you guys. I hope this video might be helpful to you, and please mention the experience with this recipe in the comment section below. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates and for more quick and easy recipe. Good night. Take care.